All I can say is if you're coming through conditions that are wet, there's blowover everywhere you're going. So all I can say is you know that those conditions are possible to be present over the next hill or over the next around the next curve. So you have to anticipate that's there. That's what you should be doing as a reasonable and prudent driver.
So in this case here, she was not driving to conditions, so she's going to be ticketed, right?
Correct.
Have you had a lot of that? Have you had to get out a lot of tickets?
Some of them we've been so tied up that we have to get to the next one, or sometimes that there's other factors involved just besides their own speed. So, but I tend to write a lot of those because by people going off the road, now they are endangering the lives of all the first responders and emergency vehicles that have to come and respond, along with the tow truck operators. I handled a crash here January 1st of last year where a tow truck got hit pulling out a vehicle that had gone off the road. So I'm very conscious of the fact that people, if they're not driving and they're off the road, endanger other people just besides themselves.